Excellent hotel, good location, excellent reception staff, very accommodating staff, highly recommend. Nice and clean, affordable, nice hotel, clean bed and room, laundry services fast. Good hotel to stay even for solo. Nice hotel, the hotel is still new, clean and best location. Exceptional rooms are spacious and very clean. Would definitely recommend it to everyone else. Good, thumbs up. Recommended, reasonable price, clean and central location. The street nearby has many restaurants. Great hotel near to the airport they stay was good. Room was spacious and very clean. Great hotel near to the airport they stay was good. Room was spacious and very clean. Excellent stay. The hotel is relatively new and located in perfect area with lots of markets and restaurants nearby. The hotel itself has a pretty good coffee shop. Room is spacious, comfortable bed and hot shower. It also has a smart TV with built-in YouTube Premium and Netflix for entertainment. They provide also good quality of black tea and coffee packet along with bottled water that the housekeeping staff happily refill daily. Shout out to Mr. Khalid at front desk who checked me in. I believe he assigned me one of the best rooms in the hotel. Thank you, Mr. Khalid. Comfortable stay, good customer service and comfortable rooms. Very good experience. The hotel was good, staff were good, only did not like the location and no food facility. But they have an amazing cafe.